G'day DIYs. This is another, let's move out to the door. This is another finished bathroom. I'm just doing a few little final things now. So I've got to do the same, I want to do the same silicone colour as the grout here, which is Havana. Where's my knife? Just clean that. Give that a little bit of a, that's how you just check your internal corners for any grout that's been left there. Anyway, how are you going? Oh, cool. I've just done that strip drain, so I just need to grout that. That's a few little things. I'll grout the aluminium that I put in yesterday, just at the door. And I've got to do a little bit of white up the top here on that and that window up there. And that's it. I'll clean up my mess. I'll leave my tools here. After the weekend, I start the bathroom. Ooh. The reason why I'm doing it in this colour, because I thought, okay, what colour do I use at the bottom there? That's why I've chosen the same as this grout. White's no good, grey's no good, you know, light grey. So yeah, that's why I've chosen this colour to match the grout. So it's the same principle, DIYs. Yeah, don't be scared of silicone, just do it, pump it in, get your flow happening. You don't have to be perfect, because with soapy water you can, I knew I had a gap there. With soapy water you can do anything, and a paddle pop stick. Anything at all. I've left a little bit of grout there, so I need to clean that up. I'll do that in a minute. Not too much spray because it'll run down my wall. Never go to the end where your silicone is. You'll be in trouble. See, a paddle pop stick has the exact shape, the exact roundness. when you've got a flat surface like this, say a bench or wide tiles, it's the easiest ever. Silicone's a little bit more trickier if you're siliconing mosaics, say. Because it's not a super it's not a super flat surface like that. But hey, practice on your flat surfaces first, like say a vanity. That's always very easy. I did my white yesterday because I knew that I was using two colours, and that's where it gets a little bit tricky. Because of your spray bottle, you don't want to wet it, so it makes it easy if you do one colour one day and the other colour the next day. And that hand tool comes in very handy. It's always easy to find. You don't keep losing it, it's always there. And that is the exact colour of the grout. And we'll have another very happy, well, I know they're very happy customer. Except I backed over their rock garden yesterday going home. I like to think I'm a good driver, but I was happy when I'd knocked off, and I was just in another world and I wasn't watching my left hand side properly. Ran over their rock garden as I was backing down the drive. But shit happens. The owner towed me off it, and I was good to go. Nothing damaged. But I was a bit embarrassed because, and mad with myself, because I hadn't paid attention to what I was doing. Nice. Okay, I'll carry on with this. I'll come back to you again soon. Stay tuned, learn heaps. Chris will teach you. See ya.